My family is made up of my dad called Leonidas Murcia. He is 50 years old. He works as farmer in the field. My mother, named Lady Guzman, she is 42 years old, work at home. I'm sister, she is called Alison Murcia, is 22 years old. Is account and work in for distribution company. My husband, he is girl, William Gerardo versus Mallorca. He is 34 years old. He works as driver of the Contrafusa Transport Company. And my son, he is called Gerard Samuel Garzón Murcia. He is 4 years old. He is currently studying at the Jorge Tadeo Lozano School in Harlem. My room is conform B. A semi-double color couch, with a black color TV, a cuff color closet, and 2 cuff color bedsheet towels with 2 drawers for personal items. My daily routine starts at 10 o'clock in the morning. I get up, start making lunch at 6 o'clock in the morning. I wake up my son with school. I bathe him, I feed him, and serve him the breakfast at 7:15 in the morning. The school road arrives. To picks up my son. Then he leaves us to lay the beds and do general cleaning around the house. Then break and to me work at 8 o'clock in the morning. I arrive at my office where I receive rest to start administrative processes until 20 o'clock. I go out to lunch on the clock in the afternoon. I enter my work until 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I leave my home, pick up my son. We go take house, change clothes to my son, and do warming and do work. Start to my work and the university until 10 at night. Ready to uniforms of my husband and my son. I brush my teeth. I pray do. I go to sleep on the next day. Pasca is Colombian population of the department of Cundinamarca, famous for its archaeological museum and for the Muisca Gold Rife Fund is line.